Welcome to the North Versailles Public Library. Today we're going to be doing a video about tornadoes, and I'm going to be doing a drawing. And I just want to share some quick facts with you guys about tornadoes. So a tornado is actually a violent and destructive storm that can last anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. And basically the powerful winds rotate in a funnel-shaped cloud around a central point. And they can actually reach up to speeds of 300 miles per hour. And to be called a tornado, they have to touch the ground, otherwise they're called a funnel. So I actually didn't know that. They can be called a funnel if they don't reach the ground. I didn't even know those existed. Wow. So what we're going to do, I'm drawing a house, okay? And this house is going to be wrecked by a tornado. Now keep in mind, this is very, this can happen in certain parts of the world where, now I know that, like, tornadoes can happen, I know that they're known to kind of happen in, like, flat land area. Kansas is one of those, I think areas that people normally associate with tornadoes. Of course, it probably doesn't help that The Wizard of Oz, had a tornado in it. So all I'm doing is I'm making a swirl at the top, right there, and I'm making a little spiral at the bottom. And I'm just going to add to that, okay? Just like that. Alright, so that's our tornado, okay? So now I'm going to start drawing the stuff around it. There's going to be a house. And I'm trying to think. Alright, so the house is actually going to be behind the tornado, extremely close in proximity. There's going to be a building right here, little store, and our store is going to be called CVS. Okay, well, I actually don't have a black marker, so I'm going to be using a black crayon. Alright, so basically the idea is that there's going to be like a little neighborhood, I guess, around here. And maybe we'll have like, what else should I put here? I'm gonna have like a little park with a little swing here. And no one's gonna be in the swings, because the last thing people are probably thinking about is swinging. They want to get away from the tornado. So all I'm doing is making a standard swing set. I'm making the legs kind of cross over like an X, supporting the swing, and I'm making one bean pole like in the middle. So that's our swing set, okay? So I'm just gonna make a little path like a little walkway here, connecting the side, like separating the sidewalk from the grass. And you know, we have our little park here too. That's our sidewalk. And now we're gonna make our lawn. So this is what it looks like so far. Okay, this is all like concrete, like sidewalk, whatever. So the rest is gonna be, you know, green grass. And I'm gonna leave some space in between the tornado and the green grass because I want to make like little bits of dirt flying everywhere to make it like more dramatic and believable that this tornado is wreaking havoc on this poor little town, okay? So I'm just gonna make like little bits of dirt like in the air, okay? Okay. So now I'm going to make some more grass. Not a lot, just some. You know, just separating the sidewalk from the road we're gonna make here. But before we make the road, that's right, we're gonna make people running. So everyone's terrified of this tornado. And for you guys, I'm gonna draw stick figures because I know not everybody can draw like actual, maybe, you know, two-dimensional or whatever. So I'm gonna make it more, you know, you guys can just follow along. It's very, very easy to draw a stick figure. But you got to make sure that they have facial expression. Like this guy right here, he's scared. So he's going to have his mouth open and he's going to be running away from this tornado as fast as he can. So is this person. Now, if you're drawing stick figures and you want to make it look more like they're really running away, put their arms in both in one direction like this, and then for their feet, put one foot back, like kind of like that, like they're walking, and the other one way far ahead, like that, okay? So I'm just going to add some more little people here. And if you want to add real people, that's completely fine too. But I'm drawing stick figures. You know, not everybody else can draw like maybe more than that. So now I'm going to make the road, you know, with the yellow splotches of paint here. And I am just going to shade in the road with a black crayon. Now I'm not going to shade in the whole road because that would take very long, and I feel like I just want to get you guys the idea of what it would look like. So I'm actually going to go all the way to this guy so that you see what it would look like when you color it in. So this is what it looks like. When you shade it in, it looks a lot better, so that's what that looks like. And of course you can color in the grass here, or if you want like a dirt like thing going on here, you can do that too. But that's what I'm leaving that as. This is just to help you guys get started on how to draw this. You know, keep in mind this doesn't have to look exactly like this, but just make sure that you got your little tornado going there and your little dust bits going around here, and make sure you have everybody getting out of that area, because that is not safe to be near a tornado. Okay? That's what I really want you guys to understand. Tornadoes are not safe, and you need to get away from them if you see them. Alright, so happy Twister Tuesday, everybody. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Have a great day.